I wandered alone, feeling like a cloud floating high above the valleys and hills. Suddenly, I stumbled upon a sea of golden daffodils beside a lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. They stretched endlessly, like stars twinkling in the Milky Way, a never-ending line along the bay. Thousands of them danced joyfully, outshining even the sparkling waves beside them. In such cheerful company, I couldn't help but feel happy. I stood there gazing, not realizing what a treasure this scene had given me. Now, whenever I'm lying on my couch, lost in thought or feeling down, I remember those daffodils. Their image fills my heart with joy, making it dance with them once again.